Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
Well, at least you're safe now.
Ooh, secret! Tell me, please. I promise I'll keep it a secret.
Mater, let's go! You're on!
La grúa dijo recto, ¿cierto? Correcto. Recto.
This is the Sodor Search and Rescue Center, sir.
The very important visitor looked.
We're gonna be going now, okay? A little something to remember us by.
Fabulous! I've never seen Doc drive more 120 miles an hour. I mean, have you ever seen him race?
No, but...
Thanks for the help, Corporal.
Anything for one of Pop's mates.
Were you the one who broke the car wash? What's that?
Movie. I thought it was just a preview and I didn't realize I was paying for it. PP.
Correcto, correcto. Hay que ir recto. Ya hoy suficiente. Y fuera.
Whatever happens, you're a winner to me, you old daddy rabbit.
Thanks, dear. Wouldn't be nothing without you.
McQueen and Sally, part beneath the tape. Kiss.
Not the only one seeing this, right? Incoming! Whoa, no.
I must hurry to Maithwaite Station. I know there'll be even more people there.
As crop hoppers at
I'm running on vapors. I need to land.
What are you doing out here with an empty tank?
Well, I thought...
Starting to think I might never meet you. Smokey?
Red, can you move over? I want to get a look at that sexy hot rod.
Rogie, those are the shoe prints from when Hannah was trying to fix the car wash.
Słuchajcie!
Don't worry, Mama. McQueen is very sad. I will...
Not in my town, you don't.
A todos, gracias. Niñito, el primero en California se queda con Tainoco, todo para él.
Ah, no, como...
Ramon will paint you up right. Hey, anything you want. You know, like the flame job.
Oh,
maybe.
thanks.
Me up, Flo took me in. Well, they all did. And I never left.
Thank you, Mel. It is very, very good to be here. Now listen to me. Big oil. It costs a fortune. Pollution is getting worse.
The industry here enough. Tough negotiators, by the way.
Oh, you flatter us. But don't stop.
Anyway.
Good, that's good. Now give it more throttle.
Hey, what's going on here?
I'm teaching Guido how to fly.
Race cars like Francesco, well, you to be far away from home is not easy.